Chevy Colorado 2018 with the extra cab, 6-foot bed. This cover has the this truck has the Extang Trifecta installed. Extang Trifecta 2.0. Lower tailgate. We have a nice BedRug liner installed on this truck. Complete carpeted interior. You just pull the handle down and it folds right up. This cover has really good weather sealing and padded hinges. You can fold it up. You can strap it in place and drive with it open. This BedRug liner is custom fit for the inside of the bed. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, both the BedRug liner and also the Extang Trifecta. All of them are made in the USA and have great components, great warranty, great product. Pull the clamp down, it latches underneath the bed flange, and then when you lock your tailgate, it's secure.